Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the essentials, power on Bluetooth and location, then open the Detector app. Once done, grant permissions so the app can access BLE and location data. Tap Scan to begin a live sweep. Don't wait. You'll see nearby device names, unique ID, and RSSI values. These tell you who's broadcasting and how strong the signal is. Make sure to move slowly around the area while scanning, because motion refines signal readings and helps separate overlapping trackers. You now interpret what the app shows. RSSI trends change as you move, so follow rising strength to approach the source. Once you detect a promising ID, apply filters, manufacturer, packet type, or battery to reduce noise. Then use simple movement tactics. Walk forward until RSSI peaks, pause, circle slowly, and note directional changes. This triangulates the device. If many devices appear, isolate one at a time. Use short bursts of motion to confirm which signal consistently. You finish by closing the loop. Follow the highest RSSI path and visually inspect pockets, bags, and vehicle seams where a tracker could be concealed. Once found, use the app's action buttons, play sound to confirm, or use owner notify options if present. If removal is needed, document the device ID first. If you can't locate anything, reboot the app and device, relocate to a quieter area, and rescan. Make sure permissions remain granted, because most missed detections come from disabled Bluetooth or background location access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.